Hello viewers, welcome back to Indian Regional Recipes. Today's recipe is Amaranth stem stir fry. I'm using the regular variety of amaranth stems, not the thicker ones that require extra preparation. For those thicker stems, remove the fibers and use only the tender parts. Cut into small pieces, then use it. In this recipe, I have already removed the fibers as shown in the video. There are two colors variations are available, red and green. You can use whichever you want. Both will give you almost the same taste, but you have to remove the fibers that you have to remember and use only the tender parts. To start, heat oil, add some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, a lot of chopped garlic and green chilies along with some chopped onions, and then dried red chilies until it becomes golden brown. You have to saute it. Once it turns golden brown, then add the amaranth stems followed with some turmeric powder and salt. This will help the stems to cook faster. Put the lid on, cook on a low flame. This will take around 20 to 25 minutes. Add coriander powder 5 to 10 minutes before finishing. Otherwise it will make the stir fry burn. You can customize this dish by adding some grated coconut when the stems are around 60-70% cooked, or topping with roasted peanut crush or sesame seeds. I have kept it very simple today. Well guys, you all must be aware amaranth is rich in iron and fiber, and it can help boost hemoglobin levels. So making it a great addition to your regular diet. You can have it on a regular basis as a side dish along with dal rice or rasam rice, whatever you have on a regular basis. Well, the dish's recipe is ready guys. Enjoy it with chapatis or puri or anything. Even with rice also you can have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find my videos useful, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Please press the bell icon to get the latest updates. And guys, please leave your comments, your opinions, your suggestions. That will really help me to improvise my work, and that will give me an idea, in fact, what kind of videos you like and I should make and post. That's it guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.